What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Hitting up Watts once again. Here before they open. Let's see what's up. Look at the line. There's at least, what, 20 people in line? Holy cow. Holy cow. Let's go see what's up, man. Let's go. I did talk to one of the workers. They said there's a line like that every morning. Holy crap. I did not know. I haven't been here right when it opened since the very beginning. They still got the fours here? They still got the fours here? Holy cow. That's a hell of a surprise. They had those last week. Alright, I did talk to one of the workers because I was like, what the hell? So pretty much everything is marked. Anything 99 is 20% off. So all this stuff is 20% off supposedly. He said the only things that are not 20% off is all the regular price stuff. So that is not 20% off. And yeah, they got them. That's crazy, dude. I did show these last week. I forgot to mention they were B grade. And I did do a short. So if you guys missed out, man, like, I don't know, man. Because I've been showing the shorts. Is the B grade, is it because of that? And the worker said because it's decreasing. I think it's probably because of that. But I'm going to be honest, man. To be able to get these for retail. Because I know these are, I don't know. I think they're, what, 300-ish or something online. So, yeah, it is a B graded. There's a B grade stamp on it and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty dope. Dude got these at regular price. Got quite a few J's, 11 lows, the 2s, and the 5s. Okay. All right, and of course I do come here because I do have the refurbished and stuff. All right, let's look around. I don't see too many empty spaces. It's a big crowd, but I don't see too many. Okay. All right, it has been a week since I've been here. I throw out the short, so I'm not too worried about getting you guys the videos like super quick. And I've been busy with stuff, man. But yeah, dude got the LeBron 19 lows. Go for 70 bucks. Remember, you do get 20% off everything. Oh, is that the same one? Yeah, it's the same one. They got those in a 10 and 10.5. The Bears. Pegasus 38. That's gently worn. Go for $65. Size 10.5. Nike by Nancy, Blazers. Blazer lows go for 100 bucks. Does have like flower print on it and stuff. Trainers go for $65. Moving up to the 11th, do got some LeBron 19 mids right there. University gold, slightly imperfect, go for 100 bucks. Kyrie low 5s down to 70 bucks. Size 11. Looking for refurbished stuff, not finding too much. We got some Lucas, go for $110. More of these LeBron, size 9.5, go for 100 bucks. Go Fly East, size 11, $1.25. I did check the Nike app, the in-store mode, to see if there was any of these in stock in a different size, but nope, they didn't. It's only size 11. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, go for 100 bucks. Size 12, Niners Pegasus, going for 65. Says gently worn. LeBron 20s, 11.5, go two bills. Be able to get these for 160, not bad. Still got these here a week later. That stuff is surprising, especially at $80 plus the 20% off. Size 13, Air Max 97s go for retail. Air Max Plus go for $120. 12.5, Jordan 37s. Oh, those are the 37 lows. Okay, 175. These Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, look at that, down to $55. Holy cow. Size 14 down to $60. Size 10.5 dunks right here. Some canvas dunks, 125. Jordan 1 mids right here. Size 13 go for $1.25. Cool to get 20% off of that. Size 13. LeBron's right here. These are pretty dope. Up the backwards Nike swoosh on it. Okay. Not bad. Some golf shoes right here. Size 13s going for retail. Not really see much for size 15 and up. Vaporfly Next Percent, $1.25 for that. That's not bad for gently worn. All right, let's check out some of the smaller sizes now. More size 10. Look at this, $88 for Air Max 95s. This says say gently worn. Don't really see much on it. But wow, look at that price. That's crazy. So I think these will be like 70 bucks. And not bad at all. Not bad. 100 bucks for these bad boys. We've seen these on sale everywhere. Penny twos. Oh, it says Jordan lift up and look at that. So who even knows what the price of these are going for? Because the price is usually on the box, and it's the wrong box, obviously. But okay, maybe you could try to get it for 120 or 115. Play stupid, I don't know. Cream color, Go Fly Ease. I'm trying to get these on the discount size 12 for a family member. Dang, it said they don't have any of their sizes of this colorway, but there is a 9.5. That's interesting. You got these Dunk Retro Premiums. That's size 7, go for $120. Dang, smaller sizes. I'm checking, and I'm not really seeing much other than those pennies right there. But the Air Deltons, Cosmic Unities. That's pretty much about it, man. Pretty much about it. Oh, wait. This is a size 7 though. But look, there's Zoom Generation. I haven't even seen these in years. I won't say never, but I haven't seen these in so many years because they do sell out. LeBron's first, was it his signature sneaker? Was it? Yeah, it was his first signature sneaker, huh? Yeah, his first signature sneaker. I was trying to remember if it was just one of those ones that he wore or if it was actually a signature sneaker, like when Kobe wore the Huarache, Zoom 2K9 Huaraches or something. 2K, I don't remember. But yeah, man. Oh, Zoom 2K4, I think. Zoom 2K4 Huaraches. But yeah, do got these. These are dope. If they had my size, I probably would look into it. Does even have a date on there. Maybe his first game or when he first wore these. That's fire, dude. No, it can't be it. Yeah, maybe. Could be his first game wearing these. I don't know. Not bad. All right, let's go check out the aisles. I'm still wondering about this 20% off thing because on the website it does say off all footwear, 20% off all footwear, and the worker told me, hey, it's off of anything with 99. I don't know. We're gonna find out though. I do have one of the subscribers over there, and yeah, he's taking a look at those Jordan 4s, and I told him about the 20%. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna check in with them because I think he's gonna grab one. They do have. I think they only have a couple sizes left, but they've been here for over a week, and I showed it in my shorts, so that's on you guys. If you guys missed out on that, Infinity and Rec Flyknit 2s go for 80, 20 off. These are 20 off as well. Hey, why is the price going up? What's going on here? All black, you can't go wrong with that though. Pegasus Trail 3s, another one of those. Okay, at least the price fluctuating on these two, depending on the colorway. Pegasus 39s. Don't think too much change from the last time, but the prices have gone down though, right? Soldiers, omnipresent soldiers, price going down. Yup. Trey 5.9s. Great budget ball and shoes, especially at that price. Got a trio of those. My camera's shaky on the last one. You got the Zoom 4s. Wow, that last one was 70. Wow. Okay. Remember, you do get 20% off all these. Immortalities right here. Budget line of the Giannis. Cosmic Unities. Another one of those. Shout out to the homie Richard who was here, watched my channel, and then he came here to check out the 4s. I was like, hey, dude, I reminded him, check out the shorts. I posted the short, 5-6 days ago? So check out the shorts. All right, let's check out more of these. Dude got the Zion 2s right here. Westbrooks. Witness 6s. Dude got a few of these. Prices, definitely great. And they got a bunch of the Jordan, I don't know, what does the Mike Rich call them? The Jordan nothings? But yeah, they do got the Team Jordans right here. But yeah, I think the definitely the best thing, the Jordan 4 right there, they have a 10 and a size 13. They've had them for a week though. Oh wait, I didn't even check this area right here. They got the Blazers, Flight 89s, some ACGs right here, the Locate FMs. These are definitely interesting. You know, a lot of the ACG stuff is a little different than most of the Nikes. All right, nice little discount. Air Force. What are these? A mid? Yep. Another mid right here. These are React. Another one of those. Got a high right here. Okay. Do got a trio of Air Max 2017s. Do got the Khaled 5s right here. Also got the 7s. Okay. They put all the refurbished stuff right here on the side. That's definitely interesting in the women's section, but how come they don't do this in the men's? Kind of interesting. Dude, if I could find these for cheap in my size, I definitely would. Even if it's in the women's section, if it was the right size. 138, 20 up on top of that. So I don't know, like $100 ish. Size 9.5, size 8 men's. Another size 9.5, slightly imperfect. Dunks go for $63. Size 9 blazer lows. It's a Nike by you though. $58. It says there's a cosmetic flaw. Okay. Size 8.5 Vaporfly Next percent down to $125. Blazer lows for women, slightly imperfect, $38. Let's see if we could look at the imperfection, because $38 is ridiculous. That's a size what? 7.5 youth. I don't see anything wrong on this side. Leather seems pretty decent. Checking the right side. I don't really see any imperfections, to be really honest. I don't see anything. Don't see nothing. Not bad, not bad. There on the laces right there, I see a little what is it? Little stain on it or something, or I don't know, but not bad. $38, not bad, especially with 20% off on top of that. I guess it's 38 size 9, go for $60. Infinity Run Flyknit all white, go for $80. That's gently worn. Got a bigger size down here, size 12 Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, down to $80. So what is that? $64, $66. And you know, for guys, that's not too bad, dude. Right? $66, size 12, or $64. My bad, 64. Got Daybreaks down to $55, size 6. Then Vaporfly Next percent, $1.25 for those. Searching the women's section to see if they have anything with showing yo. Do got some Jordan 5s right here, size 9. We saw a few of these the last time I came. Okay, retail for those. Then do got Air Force 1s right here, Arctic Punch. Okay, like a slight greenish hue to it, go for $90. Alright, so yeah, same thing in the women's section. We see some things that say 20% off, some that don't. I'm gonna be honest, on the app, it says 20% off all sneakers, so I'd be like, hey man, y'all need to hook me up with 20% off. I don't really see anything crazy in the women's section. Kind of the same stuff that we've seen. And the deals aren't even that great either on some of the discounted items. The grade school section, or is this preschool? Oh yeah, this is grade school because it's a size 4. They do still have the reimagined. Are these B grades? I don't see any B grade tags on them or anything, so they still do have a few sizes of the grade school. That's pretty dope. Let's peruse the grade school section, see if there's anything for, oh, that's all women right here. So grade school, dang, this is all the grade school section they have. That's it. And a bunch of these things. What the heck are these? The Jordan Flares preschool. Luca's right here going for $80. Got some Blazers, $55. Not really seeing much though. Not really seeing much. Do got the Brotherhood right here. These are $130, but not really seeing much in the grade school. Let's go check out apparel. Damn, I'm trying to remember if they even had a sale last time on apparel. I don't think they did. It's 30% off clearance apparel. So we're back to hopefully finding some deals. Hoodies should definitely be super cheap now because winter's pretty much done. It's like 80 degrees outside today. $55 for these, normally $120 supposedly. I don't think these were that expensive normally though. These are medium. Dude got a jacket. I thought this was a Brooklyn jacket. I don't know. Someone told me, is it Boston? I don't know. But yeah, it's no extra discount. What's up with that? $220. That is a small. Howard Bison hoodie down to $55, down to $55. But at least you get the 30 off. Rams t-shirt or long sleeve shirt, $55. Good lord. That's pretty high, man. That's pretty high. Jordan hoodie right here, $35. Not bad. Normally 80. It says Jordan on the side. That is a large. 8-bit Nike shirt right here. It says Nike Hoops double XL. $16. $16. You get that extra 30% off. Nike Football Club double XL $130. Dude got Tech fleece right here. Love me some Tech fleece. Oh, this is Nike Yoga though. Nike Yoga 106. Holy cow. Is that above retail price? Doubt that's right. But damn, Nike Yoga expensive as hell. $32 for these. These are a tall. This is like super thick though. It's nice. Flower shorts. A plant. Why you want basketball shorts with plant on them? $55 or $50. Triple XL. Not really seeing the craziest stuff in the apparel section. All right, like I said, I hope you guys are following my shorts. Still do have a couple of sizes of those 4s. People have been asking me. Like I said, I showed it in my shorts. So hopefully you guys are listening. Hopefully you guys are watching. All right, we're gonna wrap it up because I gotta go to a few more spots before the end of the day. Let's go. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I did come here, 5 days ago or something like that. But yeah, I did want to come back because I did see that Nike has 20% off all sneakers right now. But they said it's not off. I don't know. So that's something that it might depend on which store you go to. But when Nike usually runs national campaigns like that, usually they do honor them. So I don't know. You're gonna have to talk to the workers there. It is interesting because like I can understand why they wouldn't want to do the 20% off, and I think I'd be okay with that because stuff like that with the Jordan 4s, stuff that has really good resale, if they give discounts on them, then the resellers will gobble them all up. And I don't blame you guys. I don't blame the resellers because there's definitely profit. But if there's no discount on them, then there's really not that much profit, and collectors will be willing to pay full retail for those. So I can understand that. Because yeah, you don't get the $40 off, but at least you get to get them for retail, as opposed to if you do get 40% off, then there's profit, and then the resellers will gobble them all up. So yeah, I can understand that. I'm kind of torn on whether they should, whether they shouldn't, but I definitely understand it, and I don't blame them. They were there for a week. Dude. When was the last time you seen a Jordan 4, especially with pretty dope colorways, be available for a week? So it is what it is. I don't blame them. But yeah, I hope you guys are paying attention to my shorts. It's not like I even make any money off the shorts, to be really honest. I do that to try to provide you guys up to date information. The resellers, they have the Discord groups, that type of stuff. I try to provide you guys the latest information. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the shorts. Make sure you guys check out Nike All the Watts. And that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for breaking today. Make sure you guys help support. Make sure you press the like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell because I do drop tons and tons of videos. And yeah, man, I'm gonna head out to a few more spots. Hopefully I can get you guys, hopefully I can help you guys with some deals. So yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.